$340 per reply. That is what LinkedIn automation actually costs when you include the ban risk. I ran both channels for 14 months. Here is what the data says. LinkedIn restricted over 1 million accounts last year for automation violations. 15 to 45% of accounts using automation tools get restricted within 6 months. Browser extensions are the worst at 35 to 45% ban rate. Here is the part nobody puts in their ROI spreadsheet. When your account gets restricted, you lose your connection network, your message history, and 3 to 6 months of rebuilding. That is $2,000 to $5,000 in lost pipeline per ban event. LinkedIn vendors quote 10 to 25% reply rates, but those replies include "not interested" and "please stop messaging me." The qualified reply rate drops to 3 to 7%. On Upwork, every person you contact has posted a job with a budget. We analyzed 133,000 proposals at GigRadar. Opener phrasing alone swings reply rates by 5.5 percentage points. Just saw your post lifts reply rate by 3.47 points. Intent-based outreach wins every time. LinkedIn automation does work in one specific case. Retainers above $5,000 per month, your buyer is not on Upwork, and you can absorb 1 to 2 account bans per year. For everyone else, use LinkedIn for content and brand, not automated outreach. GigRadar operates a real Upwork business manager on your behalf. Zero ban risk. Your account is never touched. Try it free at gigradar.io.